BluffTitler has a feature where you can add 2D sprite sheets. You can also add PBR materials to a sprite sheet or any image. You have to select the PBR effect from the advanced materials and make sure that the try to keep textures and effect match checkbox is not ticked. Here I'm changing the position of the sprite in relation to the camera. You can set the lighting in the program. There is directional lighting, ambient lighting and point lights. I noticed that the eyes were not on the right normal orientation, so I'll have to fix that. Now I'm setting the film strip properties. This particular sprite sheet is 15 across and 8 down. The film strip frames per second property was 24 for this animation. I wanted to play with some particles, so I selected the glow particle preset. You can change the properties of particles in the program. These are all documented on the website. I'm not that familiar with all of them yet, but it's easy to adjust the sliders and see what they do. Now I'm adding a mirror layer. The mirror layer position can be adjusted with the position property sliders, but I found it easier to use the F2 gizmo. Now I'm testing the gravity property for the particles. Particles can be affected by gravity direction sliders. These are all animatable properties as well. Here I'm just doing a very quick basic animation test. Animation is all real time in BluffTitler. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe if you haven't already.